Granički.
Well, it's been my first time in Macedox, and I think it's been an amazing experience. I don't have a lot of experience in festivals because I've not been into many, but I like when it's not such a huge festival. So it's like a decent size, but they treat you really, really well as a filmmaker. They spoil you. You can meet everybody. You meet filmmakers, and you get these very amazing screenings.
Yeah, the same thing. It's a really sweet festival, and people who work here are lovely, and it's a really fun experience, and I recommend it.
My lady Tapandi, why do you sleep so still? I'll wake you tomorrow, and you will be my fill. Yes, you will be my fill. My lady Tapandi.
Many reasons that we still have why the onion is the symbol and why we give these awards to the filmmakers who actually explain every year what it means.
Good evening. The first prize goes to Petra Selska and her team for making such a wonderful festival. I was a little skeptical before there were so many praising words from colleagues who said, it's fantastic to be here. It is fantastic. It has been so fantastic to be here for 3 days and see how you can make a festival full of pleasure and relaxed. I've been watching the festival organizers sitting there relaxing during, the afternoon. It's not usual, so keep up this spirit. I understand that this is not going to exist next year. Find a good place and keep up the spirit. Thank you very much.